Hey my loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel.
You always calling about something, you always want it my way. I gotta get you on something. You gotta be tired of playing that.
Guess what I did? Guess what I did? Y'all, it's official. It's official. I got that pink iPad. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing video, and I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. But I bought this. I bought it from Apple. I actually got it delivered. Tell me why. Uber delivered it. I ain't never know them do it like that, because they had like a next day shipping thing, and it was only like what, $6 or $7 more. So I was like, why wait all the way until next week and I can get it the next day? And then some random person brought it to me in the bag like this. I'm talking about no cover, no nothing, just Apple. I'm like, oh, okay. And that was weird to me, but they got it to me. That's all I care about. Look at it. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Can y'all see? It's a little, like, yes. A little thumbnail moment. Yeah. So yes, I do have the pink iPad, the 10th generation. I got the 256 gigabytes because I already have an iPad, but it's the 64 gigs. And like, I run out of storage a lot. I do have Google Photos and I do back stuff up, but I edit on my iPad. So I was like, you know, let's up the storage. Let's up the score right quick. So I did get more storage. I wanted to do a TikTok, but YouTube it is. But I might still can. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna record some clips. You know, I just lost my whole train of thought. Y'all, I'm too excited. Okay, let's see. Hold on. Okay, y'all, but I ordered a screen protector in the case off Amazon. That won't be here until Friday. Well, it won't be here in a few days, but I'm too excited. Like, I just gotta open it. Oh my god, y'all. I'm trying to still open it so y'all can see. So pretty. Oh my god. Oh. This iPad. How to be? We gotta make it. Look at her, y'all. I'm scared I'm gonna get fingerprints all over it. She is too cute. Like, I feel like it just goes with my whole little aesthetic, my room. See, my sign is pink, pillows pink. What else pink? My pictures up there pink. My camera case is pink. Like, y'all, pink is just pink. Okay, so yeah, this is the iPad. And in the box it got the charger, well, the block, and this type of charger. It's not the normal charger, it's that weird one. So okay, look. Y'all, I am too hyped, man. But wait, maybe I should. We're getting a little ahead of ourselves. Alright, y'all, so I finally got everything off my old iPad. or backed up, saved everything. And now I'm about to save out of videos. Y'all, I'm just so happy. Oh, hey y'all, I was supposed to take a TikTok. Let me see. No, I'm gonna wait. Okay, English. I'm gonna just set it up manually. Well, I was telling me it's gonna take a few minutes to activate it. I'm tired of waiting. Just had to wait on that other iPad to reset. Got that Touch ID mug. This is so cute. I should have bought the one with Face ID, but they didn't have it in pink. So, Touch ID it is. We upgraded from the home button, y'all. It's the power button. Dang, we upgraded from thumb to index. I just realized that. Okay. Create a password. Alright, y'all. So I done did all the iCloud stuff, signed in, all that good stuff. So now she's all set. Isn't she so pretty? Like, look at it. Material girl who. But that's gonna bring us to the end of this video. Thank y'all for watching. Love y'all. And if you want to be a material girl too, get one. I'm talking about now. Cyber Monday coming up. Get it. But bye.
I need you here by the day. You got it, but you got it right. Wrong with it.